Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, December 11th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're going to talk about how silver is just surging and whether it's the right time to buy or not. But before I get started, I just want to let everyone know that I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 20 years. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So I just like to tell that in all my videos in case I have new viewers. I want people to know that I'm a real person who truly cares about helping others have success. So with that being said, I was shocked when I checked the price of the silver spot price this morning, all right? And it was only about, 20 minutes ago I checked it. It was at 63.09. 63.09. All right? These are all-time new highs here for silver. All right, we've never been in this we never had silver prices this high before, spot silver prices this high before. So it's uncharted territory. I'm not a silver expert, but I do listen to a lot of people who are, and they all say that silver is going to continue to go up. And instead of sitting on the sidelines waiting for it to dip back down, you should be stacking silver consistently right now, okay? Because I don't think it's not going to drop back down. I don't think it's going to go back down into the 50s, all right? I think we're going to see this continue to go up. I said it months ago when I was listening to some of these people who do this for a living, and they said that they believe silver is going to be $70 before the end of the year. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but all I know is that it is going to continue to go up, because there's a finite supply of it and the demand for it is increasing more and more every single day. All right, we use this in all the electronics. I mean, think of all the applications that silver is used in, right? We have electronics, we have solar, we have electric vehicles, we have medical applications, we have water purification systems. I mean, it just goes on and on. And when you only have a certain amount of stuff and the demand for it increases, the price of it is just going to continue to go up. And that's what we're seeing here. So I don't really worry about the dips and the surges, all right? I just keep buying it. All right? I'm not one of these people sitting on the sideline, but I'm going to wait for it to drop back down into the 50s. No. I'm going to keep buying it every single week, because I know that this bull run is just the beginning, okay? We have whole countries buying up silver right now. So if you're sitting waiting for the dips, you're could be losing a lot of money, okay, in my opinion. So that's why I don't worry about the dips and the surges. I just stay consistent, and I just keep buying silver every single week, more silver every single week. And I think that's the best long-term game plan. All right, because remember, if you're a silver stacker, you're doing it for, you either like to collect silver for the, you collect the silver coins that are collectibles, or you collect the silver bullion because, you're building generational wealth. I like to build generational wealth. So I'm collecting as much silver bullion as I can. And there goes a whole bunch of stuff in the back, because I'm more into it for building wealth. All right, I'm not too worried about collecting collectible coins. Nothing wrong with it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. It's just that I'd rather collect as much silver bullion as possible for their melt value. All right, I think that's just where it is. But when you see higher prices like this, it's showing that there is strength, but also urgency for consistent stacking. All right? I mean, you don't want to be... Remember when gold not too long ago was $250 an ounce? It's over $4,000 an ounce now. So the same thing, in my opinion, is going to happen to silver. So it doesn't matter if it's $50 an ounce or if it's $100 an ounce. It's going to continue to go up simply because there's a finite supply of it, right? I mean, we can't produce more silver. There's only so much of it here on planet Earth. And with everything that uses silver now, it's just going to continue to go up in value, right? I mean, I don't see it any other way. But feel free to leave me your comments down in the comment section. Let me know your opinions and thoughts on this. But anyway, you buy small, stay consistent. You know, I use QuickSilver. I work with the company QuickSilver, and they allow you to set up auto wealth deliveries, which allows you to have silver and/or gold shipped to your doorstep every month on autopilot, so you don't have to worry about anything. It's like setting and forgetting, okay? And we feed starving children all across the globe, and they'll give you, you can become a wealth ambassador like I have, and share the opportunity with other people and get paid up to 7 different ways. So, you know, even if you're not interested in the business part of it, just setting up an auto wealth delivery to where you're having some sent to your doorstep every 30 days is a no-brainer in my opinion, right? Because this is just going to continue to go up in value. I'm not worried about it dipping back down. Who cares if it does? If it does, I'm going to buy more of it, right? If it does, I'm going to buy more of it. But I just like to have a steady, consistent plan where I'm not worrying about the surges and the dips. I'm just staying consistent and buying it every single week. And, you know, from when I first started stacking silver, my money has more than doubled the value of my silver. So, you know, I don't see any better investment or any better place to put your fiat currency, which is backed by absolutely nothing. You know, silver's the best place to put it, in my opinion. In my opinion, you know, you're not going to see these ROIs with any other type of investment. So again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a silver expert or anything like that. I'm just teaching you what I'm learning from the people who are experts. And I think that, you know, there's no better time than now if you haven't been stacking silver to start stacking. And if you have been stacking, keep stacking, you know. Don't stop, because this is just the beginning. It's just the beginning. So 6309 is what it was when I checked it about a half hour ago. And I don't know, it's interesting times for sure. So I don't have a magic ball, and nobody does. Nobody knows what the future is going to bring with silver or any precious metals or currency. But to me, it looks like a no-brainer to keep stacking. So I'll leave a link down below this for QuickSilver. You can get a free silver bar just by checking out the opportunity and the business. You just pay a nominal shipping fee. And I'll also leave a link down below for our foundational business that we use to build QuickSilver. So all that information will be down below. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. But again, you know, just my opinion, but I think silver is something that you definitely want to be trading your fiat currency backed by nothing for something that is a tangible asset that has real value, that's going to continue to go up. And yeah, you can't go wrong, okay? So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you found value in my video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And if you know somebody who might be interested in hearing this, please share the video. I appreciate that. And I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.